What are renters' insurance endorsements for valuable items? Imagine owning a piece of jewelry that means the world to you or expensive artwork that tells your story. Now, think about what would happen if that item was stolen or damaged. Would your insurance cover the full value? Probably not, unless you have the right protection. That's where renters' insurance endorsements for valuable items come into play. They are extra layers of protection you can add to your standard renter's insurance policy. These endorsements let you list specific possessions that are worth more than the usual coverage limits. For example, if you own a diamond ring worth $10,000, a standard policy might only cover up to a few $1,000s. An endorsement allows you to insure that ring for its full appraised value. Most renters' insurance policies include personal property coverage, but they often have limits on certain categories. Jewelry might be capped at a few $1,000s, electronics at a set amount, and artwork at a certain value. If your possessions go beyond these limits, an endorsement helps fill the gap. To add one, you usually work with your insurance agent to identify which items need extra protection. Common items needing endorsements include high-end electronics like laptops and cameras, valuable jewelry, art, antiques, designer clothing, handbags, and musical instruments. You will need to provide proof of value, such as receipts, professional appraisals, or expert documentation. Once the insurer verifies the value, they will add the endorsement to your policy, and that specific item will be covered for its full appraised amount. Some endorsements also offer broader protection, like covering accidental damage or mysterious disappearances, depending on what you choose. Having these endorsements is important because without them, you might face large out-of-pocket costs if something happens to your valuable possessions. Think about losing a family heirloom, a rare piece of art, or expensive camera gear. A standard policy might only pay a small part of what it costs to replace these items. Endorsements ensure you have enough coverage to replace or repair what matters most to you. This is especially important for Black communities and other underserved groups, where possessions often hold cultural or personal significance. Protecting these items helps safeguard your investments and the memories attached to them. Adding endorsements is usually affordable. Renters' insurance itself costs about $10 to $15 a month, and endorsements add a small extra cost based on the value of the items. Some insurers offer coverage that protects any single item up to $10,000 without listing each one, while others requiring scheduled personal property endorsements, where you list each item individually. It's important to be honest about what you own and its worth. Creating a detailed inventory, including ages and current values, helps you decide what coverage you need and which items requiring endorsements. When choosing endorsements, work closely with your insurance agent to understand what your basic policy covers and where the gaps are. Not all insurance companies offer the same options, so shopping around can help you find the best fit. Some insurers even have mobile apps that make managing your policy and filing claims easier. Bundling renters' insurance with auto insurance through the same provider can also save you money. Remember, endorsements for valuable items give you peace of mind, knowing your most treasured possessions are protected. They let you customize your coverage to match your actual needs instead of settling for generic protection that might leave you underinsured when it counts most.